So, ji, what is source code? Source code is the set of instruction or commands in readable programming languages written by human. Usually, programmer the source code may or may not have comments within them and produce an acceptable output when the code runs. Once the programmer creates the source code, it is saved in file according to its extension. For instance, a JavaScript file is saved with the extension js.js and a C++ file is saved with the extension .cpp. A language translator receives the source code and then converts it into the machine understandable code. These codes are called object codes, which we will discuss later. तो ये था अभी what is source code. To effectively build a program, the source code is written in is either assembly or high level language. Assembly language is machine oriented and require the computer internal knowledge to decipher. High level language coding languages use English and math symbol as instruction. Example includes languages such as C, C++, Java, Python और JavaScript etc. उसके बाद जी व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट कोड. What is object code? Object code is a computer numeric code made of binary such as zeros and ones and is understood by a machine. It is the output of a source code after compilation. This means once the source code is compiled or translated into a machine understand languages, it displays the source code or what used to be the source code. A programmer cannot easily understand an object code unlike source code which is written in plain text. The object code stays in an object file such as COM files. आगे जी COF common object file format etc. Note the object code, machine code and binary code can be interchangeably. एक बार दोबारा. What is source code? Source code is a set of instruction or command in a readable programming language written by human. Usually a programmer the source code may or may not have comments with them and produce an acceptable output when the code runs. Once the programmer creates the source code, it is saved a file according to its extension. For instance, JavaScript file is saved with the extension .js and C++ file is saved with the extension .cpp. A language translator receives the source code and then converts it into the machine understandable code. These codes are called object code, which we will discuss later. To effectively build a program, the source code is written is either assembly or higher level languages. Assembly language is machine oriented and require the computer's internal knowledge to decipher. High level languages use English and math symbol as instruction. Example include languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript. उसके बाद what is object code? Object code is a computer numeric code made of binary numbers such as zeros and ones. It is understood by a machine. It is output of a source code after compilation. This means once source code is compiled or translated into a machine understandable language, it displays the source code or what used to be the source code. A programmer cannot easily understand an object code unlikely source code which is written in a next. उसके बाद ये कॉम फाइल COFF में सेव होता है. नोट द ऑब्जेक्ट कोड, मशीन कोड एंड बाइनरी कोड कैन बी इंटरचेंजेबली.